Alright, well, as you can see, we're in traffic, and this is perfect to warm the car up. And then we'll do our usual.
Beat him up! Beat him up! Beat him up! I was in the devil in the projects, mad at myself, had to put it aside. So anyways, why didn't you guys dress up for Halloween today?
Dude, I'm too poor. I really can't right now.
I suggest we go get a costume. It's not.
That's reasonable. That's not an excuse. It's Halloween. It's one day a year. You gotta celebrate.
Maybe next year.
So what about the Halloween party? You guys going tonight or what?
Probably not. I have.
What the? Is that guy glowing?
Yo, what?
Okay.
I've been waiting for you.
Run. Just run. What do you want with me?
For you to die.
What the? Where are my clothes at? Get it. No, shoot, no. All right. Well, I guess it's my turn.
That's just the first step of my plan.